wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best benchtop table saws. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the EasyView measurement system on the Skil folding 10-inch helps to ensure that you can make consistent cuts to exact specifications. The table extends to a maximum length of 32 inches for working with large pieces of lumber. It's got a 3.5-inch cutting depth and comes with a carbide tooth blade, but setup can be a challenge. At number 6, the Bosch one-handed jobsite boasts a 5,000 RPM top speed under no load, which can really tear through wood. Its grip capacity is kept a bit on the small side though, accommodating just 18 inches in order to make this model more portable. It offers a wide bevel angle range and breaks down nicely for transport. However, the fence is occasionally misaligned. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the fence system on the dewalt 10-inch portable uses a rack and pinion adjustment mechanism to make smooth changes to its positioning. It also features a 2.5-inch dust port for attaching a vacuum to keep your work area clean. It comes with a durable metal roll cage and is lightweight at just 48 pounds, but the stand is on the cheap side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Benchtop table saws, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the modular blade guard system on the Makita 2705 10-inch contractor allows for tool-free adjustments, so you don't have to go scrambling around looking for the right wrench just to make a new cut. Its 15-amp motor offers plenty of power. It runs at up to 4,800 RPM, and the included scale is easy to read. However, the mitre gauge wiggles a bit. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, when not under load, the dewalt 10-inch 32 boasts a top speed of 4,800 RPM. It can cut through filler and floorboards with ease, and its rolling stand gives you the ability to take it just about anywhere. Its grip capacity is an impressive 32.5 inches. It's equipped with a rack and pinion fence, a dust collection port, and onboard component storage. At number 2, the skilsaw portable worm drive is a brass-geared model that delivers an impressive amount of torque for its relatively low price. An aluminum build keeps it lightweight at under 50 pounds, so it's easy to transport if you need to. It features a self-aligning rip fence, a -1 to 46-degree adjustable bevel, and a reliable anti-kickback system. And taking the top spot on our list, the collapsible stand that comes with the Bosch Power Tools 4100 makes it one of the most portable options on the market. It's an excellent choice for a busy job site, but it can just as easily fit into your garage or professional workshop. It's got a cutting capacity of 25 inches, a soft start that protects the circuits, and a transparent blade guard. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Benchtop table saws, or simply click beneath this video.